not everything, but some stuff. Most stuff. How do you feel it's your last night in the Chauvin's shop?
Sad.
Sad.
Yes, because I like living here. It's a very nice apartment. And I start to appreciate it more and more of the outside living and yeah. Actually, I can't believe this is our last night.
Good night.
Inside.
Okay.
The one
Yeah.
no, but it's the same process.
Going down in.
Bye, Chauvin's shop 34.
Got my apple pie. And soy sauce. And ramen and skyr. This is a special limited edition chocolate marshmallow. I'll give it a go.
I'm like so excited about the keys and you're like, chocolate marshmallow? I'll give it a go.
Yeah.
We're like completely different wavelengths.
I'm pumping myself up to put all this furniture inside.
Yeah. All right. We just
Got the keys.
got the keys.
Here it is.
Now drive back because we literally passed our apartment on the way here. We drive back 30 minutes, unload, sleep, and drive back to Amsterdam.
Maybe eat some pizza.
Yes.
We'll get kind of like a big one.
Yeah. Yeah, this is actually really nice. Like, you have the bay window kind of situation.
Outside.
Yeah. Are you even, I don't know if you're allowed to, but we'll have to ask.
Yeah.
This is the bedroom. Also nice windows. And the bathroom. So that needs to be cleaned. It looks like it's mold.
Alright, let's start moving in.
And the kitchen and living room.
Beautiful thing here. Take the pictures cut.
This is how we're leaving the apartment. Chauvinstraat 34. What do you have to say?
We'll be back.
Bye.